Hello, my name is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. This is day number 7 of our Breyer Advent Calendar unboxing. And we've also been talking about why it's important that we celebrate the coming of Jesus. It's been a fun week with you guys. It's been a whole week together and a whole week of reading scripture together, unboxing really fun Breyer miniatures, and also following the story of Zoe and her stable. And today we have a fun surprise for you. Zoe and I do. We've planned a little something. Let's go to her and see what it is. So I know that's not the scene you usually see, but Zoe and I have decided to do a special giveaway for you. And at the end of our time on day 25, we are going to draw a winner for this beautiful horse. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that horse and how you can be entered for the drawing a little bit later. But first, let us get to scripture. We are picking it up in Genesis chapter 2, verse 1. And this is after God has created everything. He created the earth, the waters, the sky, the animals, the birds, the fish in the sea, the plants, people, everything. Now it's day number 7. And what do you suppose he did on day number 7? Any thoughts? Is there anything in particular that you do, or maybe you see your mom and dad do after a big project or a big thing is finished? Well, I think what God did is really important, and I think it's important for all of us to follow his example. So let's see what happens. Genesis chapter 2, verse 1. The heavens and the earth and all of the host of them were finished. He finished his creation. And on the 7th day, God ended his work, which he had done, and he rested on the 7th day from all of his work, which he has done. Then God blessed the 7th day and sanctified it, because in it he rested from all the work which God had created and made. God rested. He took a break. He's like, I did all of this. It's done. He enjoyed his creation. I think that's really important for all of us. Sometimes when we do really big things, we get a little bit tired. Not that God was tired because he's God, but I think he was modeling for us the importance of just resting and enjoying what we've done, not just rushing on to the next thing. He was able to spend time with his creation, with Adam and Eve, and I think that that's a beautiful thing. Remember, when he created everything, he was thinking about you. He was thinking about me. And he wanted to spend time with us. He wanted us to be his friends and to be able to worship him the ways that we do. We're going to talk more about that as the days go by. But right now, let's see, what should we do next? I guess we'll unbox next. How about if we do that? See what our day number 7 miniature is from Breyer. All right, day number 7. Oh, this is surprising. I did not expect to get another horse so soon. Oh, it's a beautiful one. What about that? 2 little socks in the front, long socks in the front. Looks like this one's galloping. That's really fun. Okay, so we have number 7 unboxed. That was really fun. Are you ready to find out a little bit more about the surprise that Zoe and I have for you? So this horse is a very special horse. It's Breyer's Hope Horse of the Year, and this horse is actually a therapy horse. Maybe some of you have had equine therapy before. That is a way that you can go if you're really struggling with something, or maybe you have some disabilities. Oftentimes there's equine therapy, which means horse therapy, where you can go and the people use horses to help you learn to feel a little bit better, learn how to connect with people a little bit better, get your brain functioning a little bit better, which can be really, really helpful. Well, this horse's name is Hope. And Breyer has made this special horse in honor of all of those that take equine therapy. So we're going to be giving one away, and you can have your very own in the mail shipped to you if you do one thing for me. Subscribe. So subscribe, and then, well, I guess kind of it's two things, because you need to subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, that's fine. It totally counts. But once you've subscribed, you need to just leave me a comment that says subscribe on any of our posts. You can put that comment there. And then when we get to day 25, we'll all look through and see who all commented with the word subscribe. And then we will do a drawing to see who wins Hope, the therapeutic horse of the year. Maybe it'll be you. I'll mention it again. Zoe and I are excited to give it away to you, and we'll be doing that again on day 25. So I think that wraps it up for today. Thank you guys for watching. I always appreciate it, and I hope that you have a good rest of your day. We'll see you later.